The change of administrations in Washington, D.C. is changing how federal money flows through the triangle. The National Institutes of Health is among the agencies now pausing grants. The acting NIH director now tells NBC News clinical trials at NIH or NIH-funded institutions are ongoing. WRAL data trackers wanted to find out how much funding North Carolina gets from NIH grants, what universities and companies could be impacted, and which research projects the funding changes could affect. So WRAL's Ashley Rowe is here with what we found.
Well, Deb, nearly $2 billion. That's how much grant funding companies and schools in North Carolina get from the National Institutes of Health. And that goes to thousands of programs, from a Duke University study on how chemical exposure affects Alzheimer's disease, to a clinical trial on medically tailored meals for people with type 2 diabetes, to a huge collaborative research network to help prevent future pandemics run by RTI, Research Triangle Institute. In fact, Duke University receives the most funding from NIH grants in the state at $580 million in 2024. UNC Chapel Hill projects awarded nearly as much last year, $531 million. Wake Forest Medical School, NC State, UNC Charlotte, and ECU round out the top 6 universities receiving funding for health and medical research from NIH. The latest guidance from NIH seems to indicate grants that have already been approved will move forward, though renewing current projects and awarding new funding could be delayed or in jeopardy of happening at all. The dean of Duke's Medical School spoke at the announcement for a new pediatric hospital about the importance of research to the university's mission, but also to the health of the state and the world.
As you know, research is fundamental to you and our institutions, but more importantly, what we do for children and their current status, they're all trying to understand what the longer term their patients are.
So WRAL will continue to track this issue as it develops, guys.